Welcome to the channel Monkeys Coding. Here today we are going to learn about Kubernetes and their features and their advantages. Let's get started. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, is an open-source platform designed for automating the deployment, scaling, and operation of application containers. Originally developed by Google, Kubernetes is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Key features of Kubernetes: automated deployment and scaling. Kubernetes can automatically deploy and scale application containers based on their resource needs and user-defined policies. Container orchestration. It manages and orchestrates the life cycle of containers, ensuring that the desired state of the application is maintained. Service discovery and load balancing. Kubernetes can expose a container using the DNS name or their own IP address and can load balance the traffic to ensure efficient use of resources. Self-healing. It automatically replaces and reschedules containers from failed nodes, kills containers that don't respond to user-defined health checks, and doesn't advertise them to clients until they're ready to serve. Automated rollouts and rollbacks. Kubernetes can automatically roll out changes to an application or its configuration, monitoring its health to ensure it doesn't all fail simultaneously. If something goes wrong, Kubernetes rolls back the change for you. Storage orchestration. It allows you to automatically mount the storage system of your choice, whether from local storage, public cloud providers, or shared network storage. Configuration management and secrets. Kubernetes manages secrets and application configuration without rebuilding your container images and without exposing secrets in your stack configuration. Uses of Kubernetes. Microservices management. Kubernetes is ideal for managing applications that are divided into smaller, modular services, known as microservices. It helps in deploying, managing, and scaling these services independently. DevOps and continuous integration. Continuous deployment. Kubernetes facilitates CI/CD by providing a consistent environment from development to production. It helps automate testing, integration, and deployment processes. Cloud-native applications. Kubernetes is designed for cloud-native applications, providing a framework to run distributed systems resiliently and manage their complexity. Hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. Kubernetes provides a consistent platform for running applications across hybrid and multi-cloud environments, allowing organizations to avoid vendor lock-in. Resource optimization. Kubernetes helps in optimizing the use of resources by dynamically allocating the right amount of compute, memory, and storage resources as per the application's needs. Application modernization. Organizations looking to modernize their legacy applications can use Kubernetes to containerize their applications, making them easier to manage, scale, and update. Batch processing and big data. Kubernetes can manage the execution of batch processing jobs and big data workloads, efficiently scheduling and running these tasks on a distributed system. Conclusion. Kubernetes is a powerful and flexible container orchestration platform that supports a wide range of use cases, from simple applications to complex, multi-service architectures. Its ability to automate deployment, scaling, and operations of application containers makes it an essential tool for modern cloud-native development and operations. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.